guys, in this video you're gonna see introduction to C programming. Before speaking of C language, if I won't say a few words about its developer, it wasn't a right thing. So I want to say a few words about its developer. C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratories of AT&T. AT&T means American Telephone and Telegraphic, which was located in USA. Dennis Ritchie is also known as the founder of C language. The main purpose of Dennis Ritchie for developing this language is to overcome the problems of previous languages such as B, BCPL and etc. Now let us start the introduction of C language by telling about its features. Features of C language. First one, it is simple. When compared to the previous languages which are developed before C language, it was very simple and it was very easy to understand when we compare to few of our advanced programming languages. And the second feature is mission independent and portable. That means if we write a C program in one mission, it can be executed in another system also, which makes it completely mission independent by its OBJ files. Next one is mid-level programming language. C is one of the mid-level programming language, which means it uses the words of our regular English as its keywords. Next it is structured programming language, and it is rich in libraries and memory management. Yes, C has the feature known as memory management. Most of the people don't know about the memory management concept available in C language, and it is one of the key feature of C language. I will make separate video on this topic. Don't worry, I will keep link in the description of the video as soon as I make the special video regarding features of C by explaining each and every part. And next come is fast speed. Yes, C language is speed when compared to the other programming languages which have been developed before it, and it consists of pointers. Pointer is a variable which holds the address of a variable of same data type in C language. And recursion, it means that it will provide backtracking and it can be performed by using the backtracking. Next one is extensible. While talking about introduction of the programming language, the second most thing we have to speak about is data types. The main basic data types of C language are 4, which are character, integer, float, double. I have been kept in this order based on the size of their data type. After speaking of data types, we can't stop it without speaking of variables and constants. And a variable is a name given to the storage location that our program can manipulate. A variable can be any data type like character, integer, float and double. And there will be some more sub data types. Don't worry, I will make an dedicated video regarding the data types. In that I will go in detail about the data types and its subdivisions. And next comes constants. Constants in C are the fixed values that are used in a program, and its value remains same during the entire execution of the program. After talking of all of them, we have to talk some of the most important key features of any programming language. Those are functions, operators and loops. In C language there are two types of functions. One is library functions and other one is user defined functions. Library functions are the functions which are declared in the C header files such as scanf, printf, puts, gets and etc. And user defined functions. User defined functions are the functions which are created by the C programmer so that he or she can use it anytime. Basically a function is a block of code which can be used, and don't worry, I will also make a dedicated video based on these 3 topics again, and you can refer that video. I'll keep the link in the description of this video after completing that video. And next thing is loops. Looping is one of the key concepts of the programming language. It executes block of statements n times until the condition becomes false. C language provides us 2 kinds of loops. First one is entry control loop and second one is exit control loop. C language provides us the following loops. They are while, do while and for loop. If you don't know about them, don't worry, I am going to make dedicated video for those, and as soon as I upload it I will keep link in the description of this video. And now let us see the basic structure of C programming. Basic structure of C programming. First one is documentation. It consists of some comments or some description of the program or a programmer name and any other useful points reflected later to refer this program or a name of the program and etc. It can be anything because it won't be executed in the program. And next session is link session. Link session is a very crucial session in the programming because which links the predefined function header files and any functions we are using in the previous program that are defined, we have to link it to the our programming language based on this link session. And the next thing is definition part, and definition part consists of constants which we define. Next part is global declaration, which consists of function declaration and global variables. Next thing is main function. Main function is the very important function and it must be kept in every C programming language because whenever we executes or compiles a C program, the execution or compilation of the C programming itself starts from its main function and it starts all its execution or compilation. And last and foremost thing is subprograms. Subprograms are user defined functions. And I think we have got some knowledge about C programming itself, and now let us try a basic program in C language so that you won't forget. Now let us see by creating a simple C programming and executing it on an online compiler. I am using GDB compiler in online. First foremost thing is documentation session, which would start with slash and some star symbol and end with star and hash symbol. In middle we have to write something like this program is an sample C program. And now next thing is header session. We have to include stdio.h, which consists of standard input and output functions because we are going to use printf function in this program. So I am using standard and input output header files. And next the thing is main function, creating a main function. Then I have to print something. Next printf, hello world. Now let us run this program. On the output screen we can see on the output screen we can see hello world. We are getting the warning type of main function in default is int. We can eliminate it by keeping just void in front of main function and run it. We can see that warning has been gone and we have found the output as hello world. And we can keep anything here like subscribe to coding security, system error. By the way, it's a promotional stuff. Now we're gonna run this thing. See the output saying subscribe to coding security system error. That means your first C program was saying subscribe to this channel. So what are you waiting for? Go right away and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. And if you have any doubts regarding stuff went in this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. Meet you in the next part of the C language tutorials.